type of videos on the internet today are health videos. And not just me, but billions of people around the world love watching these videos. And they rack up millions of views and traffic across social media. And if you didn't already know, these channels are also generating tens of thousands of dollars, starting with 0 followers and growing fast just from posting AI-made videos just like these. I want you guys to look at this channel, Healthy Lawn Life. They started posting only 1 year ago, as you can see here, and they now have over 400,000 subscribers. They're also getting millions of views. Most of their videos are just stock footage clips with a voiceover behind them. And according to Social Blade, they are making over $100,000 a year just from the views on this single YouTube channel. This channel, Medical Centric, is another example of the same type of videos that, according to Social Blade, again, they are making close to $200,000 per year. There are tons of other YouTube channels and accounts across social media, just like these, that are racking up millions of views with the same type of health videos and making thousands of dollars monthly. And if they can do it, why can't you? And you can start doing this too without actually having to create or edit or make any of the videos yourself, or having to actually be a healthcare professional. And especially if you have a medical background of any kind, you better be doing this also. Before I got rich from the internet, I used to be a full-time dental assistant in school for dental hygiene. And if I had this knowledge back then, I could have been making videos about everything that I was learning while I was in school. Not to mention all the video ideas that I probably would have in this one textbook. And with these skills that you are gonna learn today, and by taking advantage of the power of AI, it has never been an easier or better time to start than right now. And this is actually so profitable because not only are you gonna actually make money from the video views itself, but you're gonna also make money from a bunch of different income streams like affiliate marketing, your own e-commerce stores, and so many other income streams that I have free courses on my YouTube channel for you guys. And because health videos are educational content, YouTube actually pays more per 1,000 views on these types of videos. With platforms like InVideo AI, you can create these videos in minutes by typing in one simple text prompt, and AI will create an entire full-blown video for you in minutes. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in return for the free education is smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this, showing you guys how you can become financially free from the internet just like I did. Now let's get right into today's video. So first up, we're gonna need some good topics for these health-related videos. So let's jump on our laptop or phone and let's go ahead and head over to ChatGPT and let's ask ChatGPT, give me some unique, trending, health-related topics to create YouTube videos on. So as you can see here, we now have tons of different video ideas right here. So this one captured my attention because I've seen a lot of different influencers and just people online as I'm scrolling on social media talking about the benefits of these ice baths. So let's now ask ChatGPT, give me good titles for YouTube videos about cold water plunge therapy. And now we have a lot of different directions and things we can take the video. Next, we're gonna go to this platform called InVideo AI. And I put the link to access this right at the top of my description down below and at the top comment so you can access it through there. Make sure you do sign up with that link. So once you sign up and create a free account, it's gonna bring you to this page and you're gonna just see this box that asks you to type in a topic and instructions into the box. So now that we're here, so let's type into the box and ask the AI, create an educational YouTube video on the science behind cold water therapy. And what you can actually do is just copy whatever titles it gave you on the ChatGPT just over to this box here. And remember, the more detailed the prompt is, the better. So let's go one step further and just add this as well. And feel free to copy the same exact prompt when you're doing yours too. So we have our main part here. So right under this, we're just gonna say, the video should maintain a fast-paced rhythm, use an American male voice. I also wrote here, use large subtitles divided into smaller segments for emphasis, use a combination of slow and fast-paced clips synchronized with the voiceover, and ensure a high level of video editing to enhance visual impact on the video. So again, in your own prompt, just make sure that you have these components, which are the topic of the video, the tone of the voice, the type of voiceover, whether you want subtitles or not, and more specific features. The more specific you are with the AI, the better it's just gonna come out. So now you're gonna see our video is being generated. So after a few minutes, it's now gonna show us the video that it made for us. So let's go ahead and watch it together. There's a couple of seconds together to see how it came out. It is so crazy that the AI made this video this fast. I can never get over it, how crazy this is. Okay, so now we see the preview of our video here, and you can see underneath the video, there's this edit command box. So here, you're gonna be able to make all the different type of edits just with simple text commands. So let me show you how this works. So let's go ahead and just try different things. So we can add subtitles to the video if you didn't already add them. We can change the intro and start with a joke. We can add a call to action at the end, ask them to subscribe to your channel for more videos. And another crazy feature is you can actually ask the AI to use your own voice. So if you don't want the AI automated sounding voiceover, you can actually clone your own voice to use it in the video. To get to the voice cloning tool, you can head back into the main video dashboard and then select clone your voice from here. Just click on add voice and it's gonna tell you exactly what you need to do in order for the tool to be able to clone your voice. So just go through that. And you can literally just record your voice on your computer or your phone. You just want to record your voice in like a very natural way, just like how you normally talk for 30 seconds, and this tool will then clone your voice. And of course, this will only be available for you to use. The AI is not going to steal it. When we're done here, we're going to just call this voice number 1. So then if we come back to this edit command box and type in change voiceover to voice 1, it is now going to use my own voice.
Cold water therapy is simple. It means taking a dip in cold water. This can be a cold shower.
And you can also change the language of this video too. So let's just say if you are in a Spanish speaking country and you want to actually tap into the Spanish market on YouTube, you could actually just type in right here on this edit command box, translate video to Spanish, click this button right here, and it's gonna change your entire video and translate it to Spanish using your own voice. And they do have over 50 languages you can do this with. Just make sure that you do stick to one specific language for your YouTube channel. Do not be uploading Spanish videos and English videos on the same channel. Like even me, I do have a Spanish channel. If you guys have Spanish speaking friends, I did create my own Spanish channel with all my free courses translated to Spanish, but it's separate from my own channel. So again, going back to the video, when you are done with this, just go ahead and click download, and then you can download and upload this video right to YouTube. Now, of course, you can also create these videos yourself. Especially if you already are a health professional, you probably have so many ideas that you can do. But you can see InVideo AI definitely helps you to create a video much faster, even with zero experience, zero research, nothing. Again, I put the link in my description box and the top comment down below to access this tool, and you can try this out completely for free. But if you are serious about video creation and you want to publish a video without the watermark and you're going to get access to all of these different features that I showed you today, I did upgrade mine to a paid plan. I pay around $20 a month. You can see right here, this is the plan that I have. I also did reach out to them and get a code for you guys, so you can also use the code BaddieInViz50 when upgrading your plan. So talking about short form content. Short form content is TikToks, Instagram Reels, Pinterest posts, etc. You can also use InVideo AI to create short form content as well, as they do have the option for it. And again, if you need video ideas, caption ideas, or even hook ideas for your videos, you can also use ChatGPT to come up with so many different ideas to help guide your creative process. And ChatGPT is free, so it's perfect. So now that you have the knowledge on exactly how you can start with these health-related YouTube channels, you are now ready to start posting and start growing your channel. And you can even start posting this content on your short form content platforms as well, like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. Start this profile on as many platforms as you can for even more opportunities to monetize. If you didn't already know, this business model is actually referred to as YouTube automation. And I have an entire free course on my YouTube channel just dedicated to YouTube automation for you guys. I'll put that free course in the description box down below also. I get very specific about how to grow your channel in that free course, including other things that you might need help with, like creating your thumbnails, the best title practices, understanding RPMs, and so many other things that you might need help with growing your channel along the way. For even more support on your content creation journey, make sure you guys join Buddies in Business Club if you haven't already. I personally spend time with all of my VIP members inside the club, and I personally help you expedite your online business journey, so you will literally have all the resources that you need to succeed. And again, everything you need is linked in the description box down below and in the top comment. If you haven't already, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free courses just like this. Wishing you all the best with your online business and entrepreneurship journeys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!